Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to whip up a quick and delicious snack cheese and tomato toast. Trust me, it's a combination you'll love. First, let's gather our ingredients. 4 slices of bread, 2 ripe tomatoes, sliced, 1 cup shredded cheese either cheddar or mozzarella, 1 teaspoon olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. To make this scrumptious toast, start by toasting your bread. While it's toasting, slice your tomatoes and shred your cheese. Once the bread is done, spread a generous amount of tomatoes and cheese on top. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with salt and pepper. And there you have it, a simple yet mouth-watering snack that's perfect for any time of the day. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for joining me in this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!